each day she would wake up with full enthusiasm and retire at the end of the day with no work done. That's Poonam for you. And why was she doing all of this? Keep watching. Hi, I'm Nidhi, proud mother of a young man, creator of my own life, a lifelong seeker, an omnivert, a textile professional turned communication skills trainer, turned midlife clarity coach, turned an author. And you're watching the Midlife Clarity Show. So why was Poonam really doing all of this? Now a 38-year-old youngster, Poonam was actually a go-getter and a very ambitious woman. But a relationship setback actually pushed her into her own shell. और अपने इमोशंस से डील करने के बाद अब पूनम बाहर आ गई है and now she wanted to do something in her life. But no motivation. Lack of motivation तो किसी भी एज में हो सकता है. Even in your 20s, even in your 30s, 40s, 50s, कभी भी. Not a big deal. But lack of motivation, especially at midlife, is a big problem. Because आप इतना लंबा हिस्सा लाइफ का आगे आ चुके हो, उसके बाद आगे बढ़ने के लिए बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस हो जाते हैं. आप एक प्री कंसीव्ड माइंडसेट के साथ आगे बढ़ रहे हो एंड उसमें आपके बहुत सारे ऐसे एक्सपीरियंसेस होते हैं जो आपका माइंडसेट बहुत फिक्स्ड कर देते हैं. पीपल कैन हैव देयर डिफरेंट वेज टू डू सर्टेन थिंग्स एंड यहीं पर आता है लैक ऑफ मोटिवेशन. आगे बढ़ना तो चाहते हो लेकिन आगे जाने की हिम्मत नहीं होती है, वो मोटिवेशन ही नहीं मिलता है कि रोज जाकर वो काम करें. सो द सेम थिंग्स वर हैपनिंग इवन विद पूनम. Maybe many of you can relate to the same issue of no motivation or lack of motivation. आज motivated हो, कल नहीं हो, consistency ही नहीं आ रही है. I'll share a few strategies that we used with Poonam. The first strategy was to break her tasks into manageable chunks. अब पूनम ने अपने सपने तो बना लिए कि वो कहाँ पे जाना चाहती है, ambition भी आ गया, लेकिन अब वो लीप उसके लिए बहुत बड़ा था. और ये जो इतना बड़ा लीप था ये उसको बहुत डरा रहा था. It was scary and that happens with most of us because we dream to be here and we don't realize कि हम आज यहाँ पर हैं. यहाँ से यहाँ तक का रास्ता एक स्टेप का नहीं है. So we needed to focus not just here but we needed to focus on smaller steps. So the smaller chunks. हमने उसके इतने बड़े टास्क को छोटे-छोटे चंक्स में डिवाइड कर दिया so that they are manageable goals. And that really helped her. The second thing that we worked on was that she had to think and visualize that if she achieves these goals and these tasks, what would she feel like? उसकी जिंदगी कैसे होगी? She had to go into her future and realize and understand. दूसरी चीज, she had to think and visualize कि अगर उसने ये चीज अचीव नहीं की तो उसकी जिंदगी कहाँ पर होगी. Two extremes. She needed to understand the result of these two extremes. And that helped her to get her motivation back. Each time उसका motivation नीचे जाता था, so she would remember why she had started. यहाँ पर आता है why. उसकी भूख कितनी है. The why of anything is very important. And that's exactly what she had to visualize. तीसरी चीज जो एक्चुअली सबसे छोटा और सबसे आसान रास्ता है मोटिवेशन का, join a mastermind or join like-minded people. Join a group where you find people who are moving in the similar direction. Sometimes when you don't get that motivation from inside, you can feed on the energy and the motivation that comes from external factors. अगर आप एक ऐसे ग्रुप का हिस्सा हो जहाँ पर constant energy है, constant movement है और सबका गोल एक ही डायरेक्शन की तरफ है, you will definitely find your motivation externally. पर इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप अपना internal motivation पे काम ही ना करो. That is also very important. The fourth thing that we worked on was ask for help. It's okay to ask for help. हम सब लोग कहीं ना कहीं कम पड़ जाते हैं. हम सब लोगों को हेल्प की जरूरत पड़ती है. We cannot be a one person army. एंड बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हमको हेल्प मांगने में बहुत शर्म आती है कि दूसरा क्या सोचेगा कि हमको ये सिंपल सी चीज नहीं आती है और वी प्री अज्यूम कि शायद हमें हेल्प मिलेगी ही नहीं. मांग के देखिए, यू विल बी सरप्राइज्ड व्हाट यू गेट फ्रॉम द अदर साइड. एंड द फिफ्थ थिंग दैट वी डिड वाज स्टार्ट. स्टार्ट करना बहुत जरूरी है, सिर्फ वो सपने बनाकर उनको पेपर पे लिखना सब कुछ नहीं है. You need to start, even if they are imperfect steps, you need to start and take action every day. Do something every day. Make it consistent. It's very important. And your starting point can come any day. अभी इस वक्त भी अगर आप start करते हो कुछ, continue it. Move in the direction that you are looking forward to. And believe me, you will move forward. And एक और चीज जो हमने की, that was celebrate every success, celebrate every small little thing that comes your way. So Poonam made sure that she celebrated every small little success that came her way. हम लोग बहुत बड़ी success का wait करते हैं celebrate करने के लिए, लेकिन वो छोटी छोटी successes बहुत जरूरी होती हैं, because that is something that will add to your motivation, that will motivate you to move further for the next success and the next step forward. And if you feel that these 5-6 steps can actually help you move forward and gain that momentum and the motivation, please go ahead and try that and do share with me. And if you're still struggling to gain that momentum and the motivation, you can connect with me and we can collaborate to make sure that you do not fail and you move forward towards your success. Watch out for another episode of the Midlife Clarity Show. And until then, do stay connected on different platforms. Do subscribe if you haven't done that. And if you want to reach out to me, there's a link with this video. Go on that and connect with me.